Welcome, fourth graders. Today I'm going to go over this assignment right here. Maybe I can get to it. Here it is. This is the assignment, my Utah ABC scrapbook. And what you're going to do, hold on one second, let me get this situated. You're going to look at the instructions. It says first open my ABC scrapbook. To get to this, you're going to scroll all the way down. So I'm going to do that. Scroll all the way down, and that's what you're going to open. It might ask you to authorize, which just means you need to sign in, and now you can ask your teacher if you're struggling with that. This is what it'll look like when you get there. You will have the ABC scrapbook by, and then this is where you type in your name. So make sure that you have capitalized your name and to do that. When you're totally finished with the entire book, you're going to go and find 2, maybe 3 pictures from all of the slides that you did, and you're going to choose your top favorites, and you're going to put those also here. Let me show you on this page. This is the table of contents. When you go to click in here, you'd put A is for, and you're going to write arches. And remember, guys, each of these should be capitalized. A title must have a capital letter. So arches, the next one is going to be beehive, and then we'll keep going on down. If for some reason one of these erases on accident, let's say that I accidentally erase that, you can push Control Z, and that'll bring it back if you do it quick enough. If not, then you can go over here to text box, click on it, and open a text box here. Your teacher can help you with the formatting if it looks off or funny. Here is the first one that I do. When you watch the video, it explains what to do, and I show you how to get a picture. I also show you how to write this first part. So Moab, Utah has the most famous arches in the world. Arches are created from sandstone through weathering. Your job will be to add at least 1 to 2 more sentences onto this, okay? Each one should have anywhere between 2 and 4. Your teacher will let you know if you're allowed to get away with just 2. But most of you need to do 3 or 4, okay? I remember, just a quick reminder to select an image. You can go here. And since I already started looking at beehive, if you want to make it clip arty, you can put clip art, and it kind of makes it look like that. Or you can get a real one, a real beehive, whatever makes you happy. But just select one and then push insert down here. It will, dismiss. Okay, it didn't like that. So anyway, that's how I would do it. It would pop up here in this section, and I can make it bigger or smaller. Just want to make sure it fits in this section. Please don't make it so big that it covers the entire page. Just, make it look nice. Oh, whoops. But that is how I would do that. Let's go back to the instruction page. If you were not able to get it, you can refresh your page by going, let me show you, going to the refresh button right there, and that tool will pop back up. But just a warning, that will get you another new page. So you won't be able to find the stuff that you might have already started. So this right down here, sorry, let me go to number 2, says watch the video of Mrs. Marriott reading it. And so you'll click here, and this will take you to this page right here. And this page has all of the A is for arches. It's all written. The instructions are right here on how to do it. And then this page right here has all the links. This is the instruction page link. This one has a link to the rubric. This has A and B. This one has C and D. So there's that. Realize that right now it has day 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to day 14. We won't, these dates won't be on here. So if If it hasn't changed, then please just ignore them. But otherwise, it should just say, click here for section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Go at your own pace. Remember, we don't have that many more days. We have like less than 10 now. So you should have, you're going to need to do several of these a day before the end of the school year. This is what, if you need to go back and add more information and don't have time to watch my video, you can just come and read it here. It's also in Spanish at the bottom. For those of you that would like to know what it says in Spanish, you're welcome to read that. Just warning, it's Google Translate, so if it says something kind of weird, it's just because Google Translate doesn't do a very good job sometimes. Remember, I don't want you using my pictures that I have here, so please try and find your own pictures. But here is some examples. C is for copper, D is for Dixie. Anyway, these are things that you're going to look at. I have the instructions both here as well as on the Canvas page right here, how to do the assignment. This right here, click to add your name. So I showed you how to do that. This is where you're going to add your pictures of your favorite slides. Remember, so this explains exactly how to do it. So be careful and make sure that you read it carefully. If you ask your teacher, she might just say, go back and watch the instruction video. Please pay attention. Make sure that you're really listening. So if I do A is for arches, this is where I would click in and click arch, A for arch. And then about the author, this is where you're going to write information about you so that at the end of your high school career, you can go back and read this and you'll be like, oh, I remember when I was in 4th grade. I was so cute. Look at how cute I am. And there's a picture of you over on this side, and there's a picture or all of your information. You're like, I remember when I liked Spider-Man. And now you're in high school and you're like, yeah, that was so silly. Or you'll say, oh, I still like Spider-Man. Anyway, so please make sure you do about the author. It's a really special page, and you'll love being able to read about it. Anyway, please ask your teacher for questions that I might not have addressed. And remember, do your best work. Good luck, guys. Bye.